And John, one of the questions that did drop in while you were speaking, and it was just asking about trade secret claims. In what contexts might a trade secret claim arise?
Oh, well, that's a great question. The one that we've talked about the most, about which Abby spoke about in great detail as well, is in the employment context. Someone leaves your company, they take a trade secret, and they use it, or in the right jurisdiction, it's inevitable that they will. It can also come up, though, in commercial transactions, often in a negotiation of an acquisition or in a joint venture. Trade secrets are exchanged and sometimes created. And the question is who's entitled to them and whether one was misappropriated. Sometimes trade secret information is disclosed in the context of an acquisition because that's one of the things that values the company. They might be purchasing just that asset, or they might be purchasing the company, but the company is valued based in part on the intellectual property that it owns. And sometimes it's disclosed in the context of financing, because if somebody's going to lend your company money or finance your development of, let's say, a drug, could be anything now, they need to value what you're doing. So they're going to probably give some estimate as to what your trade secret and it might be or is worth, depending on its status. And in all those cases, employment, as well as those other examples, there's always the potential, possibility for misappropriation of a trade secret.
Thank you so much. And Abby, a quick question that dropped in while you were speaking here, and we'll close with this question. Just asking regarding damages calculation here. When it comes time to look at damages, could one get both actual out-of-pocket losses and profit or other monies that the misappropriator may have received?
Yeah, and that's something that is makes it very attractive for plaintiffs to pursue. It's a little unusual. It's also the case under some other statutes, but you can actually recover not only your own losses, but also the unjust enrichment that the defendant misappropriator earns, and you can get both. It doesn't mean you will get both, but the court is able to award you both, and in the appropriate circumstances, you can get that. I think that's one of the reasons that trade secret awards have been growing.